Hi everyone. In this video, let us understand how to sort the mixed data. So I have this data available with me. The first cell contains the name of the client, whereas the second cell below it contains the client code. Whereas I need the client name in one particular column here and the client code in another column. So if I do it one by one, it takes a lot of time. Rather, we can use a shortcut. So what's the shortcut? You have to select the data set first, press Ctrl G, and you get the go to dialog box. Click on special, select constants. Here, I want first the text only. So remaining you have to uncheck, click OK. Here, only text cells has been selected. You have to just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I got all the client names. Now for the numbers, again, select the set, Ctrl G with go to dialog box. Click on special, constants here. Now numbers. Okay. Now Ctrl C and here Ctrl V. That's how you separate the mixed data from a given set. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.